Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain how to set up generic singleton pattern structure in Unity. First of all, let's talk about what a generic is. Generic means the general form, not specific. In other words, generics allow you to write a class or method that can work with any data type. Now we create a script and call it Singleton. Then we open the script. And we change the class part to Singleton angle brackets T and vertex semicolon component. Then we create a variable named private static T instance. After we create a variable named public static T instance and we set the get part of this instance. If instance is null, we assign the instance to find object of type T. And if instance is null again, this time we create a new game object and add a T-type component to the game object and assign it to the instance. Then we return the instance. After that, we create the awake method. If instance is null, we write instance equals this as T into this method. In the else part, we destroy the game object if instance not equal this. So we have completed our singleton class. Let's see how to use it. We create a new script. I named it player data. After opening our script, we delete the monobehavior part and now we inherit it from the singleton class. Then we create a string method named player name. We'll get the player's name from this method. You can think of this class as a class where the player's data is kept. So then we create a new class called player controller. First of all, let's add unityengine.ui to the library. And then let's create our text object. Then let's write playerName.text equals playerData.instance.playerName inside the start method. Thus we have access to the playerData class. Now let's go back to our scene. Create a new empty game object and drag the playerData script into it. Then let's drag the player controller script into the player. And drag the player name text as well. Now we are ready to test it. As you can see, we can access the name of the player from a different script. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.